there, Dr. Scott Goldsmith. Just about to start another Jiffy Knee. I started doing the Jiffy Knees a little bit ago, and I have absolutely loved it so far. I used to go through the center of the knee where I would cut the tendon, and now I go through the side of the knee. I move the tendon and the muscle to the side, so it's a muscle-sparing procedure, and the results so far have been truly remarkable. Even in recovery room, we're seeing patients being able to move their leg and fire that muscle and even have range of motion like I had not seen with the prior technique. And then in the rehab, they seem to be more advanced and down the road compared to the technique that I used to use. So when I see them back in the office, even at the 3 or 4 week mark, these patients are often walking without any assistant devices. They seem to have better range of motion, and certainly their strength is coming along. So I'm super excited to continue to see them heal, and I think Jiffy Knee is a fantastic muscle-sparing approach to the knee.